Hey guys, JP here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to foam roll the IT band, okay? First thing to know about the IT band is it runs from the very side of your knee all the way perfectly on the side of your thigh there into the hip and is actually part of your hip flexors, okay? So great to always work on the hip flexors if you do have any IT band issues. But today we're just going to show you how to foam roll the IT band itself. Okay, it's really simple. All you need is one of these guys right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to get completely on our side. We're going to bring this leg that we're not rolling up front here. Bring this arm way up front, okay? Balance as needed. And we want to start right about there, okay? Maybe make a quick little adjustment here. Perfect. Now we're ready to roll down the whole IT band there. Great. And feel free to twist and turn the leg to whatever feels the most tender there and hold that, breathe into it, and relax. And that is how we work the IT band on the foam roller. Thank you so much for watching.